Okay, so today we've drenched them and we put in new property tags, and I'll let them out to this pasture here now, the house pasture. Morning, welcome to camp. Today we're going to move the 14 calves into the yards, and I need to drench them first. One, I need to put a new air tag in, and I need to do a job on at least 6 or 8 of the steers. Bull calves. Turn them into steers. There's Rambo. He knows what he's looking for. Comes 305. There's 14's baby. 218. Now that's 14's baby's calf. First calf. She's absolutely gorgeous. Come on, kids. So they'll actually follow the blue bucket. Come on. Come on, you boys. Girls, no problems. Boys, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're feeding him some Cattle King protein meal. Right? You guys will come and get it, aren't you? Come on boys. Come on boys. Come on boys. Look at this. Stealing it straight out of the bucket. Come on. Come on, kids. Come on, you bullfeds. Come on. Come on, bullfeds. Come on. Come on. I guess some are thicker than others. Come on, down you go. Come on. Come on, you pair of bullfeds. Down you go. Come on, down you go. No, don't be stupid. Hey. Good boys. Don't go. No, don't go up there. No, hey. Oh, boys will be boys. Come on, bullfed. Come on. Hey, don't go running off, knucklehead. Come on, get back there. Come on. Come on. Come on, in you go. Come on. Come on, someone's got to go in first. Come on. Push up. Push up. Push up, come on. Push up. Push up. Good kids. Righto. Let them settle down there for a little while. And then we'll drench them. You big fella. You'll do. Oh, down you go. Good boy. He's a big boy. He's going to be a great boy. Move up. Move up. So what does he weigh? 280 kilos. That's a big boy. Alright, so what have we got to do with you? New tag and drench you. Okay. So let's get you in the crush to start with. He's a quiet boy. He's a quiet boy. So let's drench him first. He's drenched. And I've got a feeling this guy is 217. Needs a new tag. 217 needs a new tag. Okay, so 217, new tag. Hang on, boy. He's a good boy. So his tag's still there. Alright, so let's go. He's a very good boy. 217. He's a good boy. He's going to make a good bull for somebody. So drenched. Out you come. Very gentle boy. He would be a great bull for somebody. Very good boy. Who's next? Come on. I don't care who's next. Come on. Come on, 204. Come on. You'll do. You'll do, girl. She's a good girl. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. So what does he weigh? So what does she weigh? So this is 218, 235 kilos. 218? Because look, Bobby. 218. You're good girl. So her tag's okay, all she needs is drenching. Okay, so the third one is 240 kilos. Get back, come on. Back up. Back up. Okay. 160 kilos. 160 kilos. This is number... Oh, come on. Oh, come on. What are you doing down there, you stupid thing? 285. 285. 307. She's only a little one, 130 kilos. 130 kilos. Who is she? She's 308. Come on, out you go. .308. And what number are you? 277. .308, that's correct. Okay, so today we've drenched them and we put in new property tags, and I'll let them out to this pasture here now, the house pasture. Come on kids, out you go, out you go, come on. Quick kids. I hope that fence is locked up down there. Geez, I better go and have a look.